Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to share your screen and give mouse control to participants in Zoom. This feature is incredibly useful when you need to collaborate on documents, demonstrate software, or let someone else take control during a presentation. Let's walk through the setup process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as you'll need full access to your account settings to enable this feature. After logging in, look at the left panel of your screen. You'll see several options listed there. Click on My Account, then select Settings from the submenu that appears. This will take you to the main Settings hub where you can configure various Zoom features. In the Settings area, click on Meeting in the left panel. This section contains all the controls related to your meeting configurations. Now scroll down and click on In Meeting Basic. This is where you'll find essential features that control what happens during your actual Zoom sessions. Navigate through the options until you find Remote Control. This is the key setting that allows you to share control of your screen with others. Make sure you toggle this option on by clicking the switch. This enables the Remote Control feature across your account, which is the foundation for sharing mouse control with participants. Now that the web settings are configured, it's time to set things up in your Zoom application. Open the Zoom app on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're signed in, look at the upper right corner of the application window where you'll see your profile avatar. Click on it to access your account options. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open a new window with various configuration tabs on the left side. In the left panel, locate and click on Share Screen. This section specifically controls how screen sharing functions in your meetings. Scroll down through the Share Screen options until you find the Advanced tab. Then click on it. This is where the more detailed settings live. Here you'll see an option to enable remote control in all applications. Toggle this setting to On. This step ensures that remote control will work seamlessly, regardless of what application or window you're sharing. With all these settings properly configured, you're now ready to use the feature during your meetings. When you share your screen in a Zoom meeting, you can grant access to mouse control and keyboard input to other participants. This is perfect for collaborative work where someone else needs to demonstrate something on your screen. To grant control, simply click on the name of the participant you want to give access to. A prompt will appear on their end, and you'll need to instruct them to click Accept when they see the notification on their screen. Once they accept, they'll be able to move your mouse and interact with your shared content directly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and configured screen sharing with mouse control in Zoom, making your virtual meetings more interactive and collaborative. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.